Imagine the Cascade Range as the backdrop to your daily life with sunsets, stargazing, and wildlife all right outside your window? Well, welcome to 1742 Okane Court. Set on just over an acre in Awbrey Butte, the views stretch from Mount Bachelor to Mount Hood, and this home is designed around them. From the moment you walk in, the living room opens to vaulted ceilings and oversized windows that pull the mountains straight into the space. That connection carries through to the kitchen, dining, and into the primary suite, with the added benefit of single-level living where it matters most. The lower level adds flexibility with a dedicated home theater, bedroom, and full bath that works well for guests or extended family living. The outdoor living space has over 1,300 square feet of refinished decking, a hot tub, and multiple gathering areas. Everything feels connected to the surrounding natural beauty. Consider the 3,700 square feet, 3-car garage, and deed-protected Cascade Mountain views, and you'll start to realize how hard this combination is to find in Bend. Reach out and let's find a time for you to experience it yourself.